Assalamualaikum dear students of level 6. This is your teacher Hina from FGS Campus 9. Dear students, today we are going to discuss importance of a dua, and dua is that is recited when boarding a vehicle. यानी कि whenever you are traveling on a vehicle, so at that time that this dua is recited. Dua is, first of all, I'm going to recite it. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम सुब्हानल्लज़ी सख्खर लना हाज़ा वमा कुन्ना लहू मुक़रिनीन व इन्ना इला रब्बिना लमुनक़लिबून. Translation is, Glory be to him who has brought this under our control, whereas we are unable to control it. Surely we are to return to our Lord. Now, what is its importance? Okay students, before writing its importance, as you always have done one thing which is important for Nazra, that is the memorization of the dua or the surah. So its translation and Arabic must be memorized by you, and I am sure that most of you have already memorized it because this is not a quite difficult dua. I think you are already aware of it. Now let's discuss its importance. This dua has great importance in the life of a Muslim because whenever we are traveling or whenever we are boarding a vehicle, so this dua is recited at that time. This dua is recited by both people. Both people means the passenger and the driver, right? Both people recite this dua, and actually the purpose of the recitation of this dua is to thank Allah, because it is Allah, because of his glory, we get able to control our vehicle. ठीक है ना? It is Allah who made us able to control that vehicle. So in this way we get safety, or we become safe from the accidents or the mishaps. As you know that on a road a lot of accidents or mishaps occur, ठीक है, but this thing always does not occur. हमेशा तो एक्सीडेंट्स नहीं हो रहे होते ना, कि that whenever who is riding a bike or driving a vehicle or doing something like this and all people suffer from accidents. No, ठीक है, there are some people but majority is safe. ठीक है, so why they are safe? Because Allah give them the power to control their vehicle. Allah give them the power to, Allah actually give them protection from any sort of mishap or accident. So basically whenever we recite this dua, so it means that we are actually grateful to Allah to make us able to control our vehicle, and in this way we get safety from the accidents. ठीक है. And in the last of this dua, the message is given to us, to the humans, that we are not permanent. As you know this thing, that man is mortal. Mortal means man is not permanent, man is temporary. It means that we have to return to Allah on a fixed time, on a fixed day, right beta? ठीक है, मरना मतलब कि death is confirmed, right? Okay, I'm sure the importance is clear to you. Importance is very easy. Now the assignment is, write down the importance of dua when boarding a vehicle. Simple, you will be writing its importance. Okay, and students, before writing the importance of this dua, leave one page, because on that page you have to paste. आप paste करेंगे the Arabic and translation of this dua. ठीक है, as I already give you the duas in the class na, in the photocopy form. So leave one page to paste the photocopy of this dua, and on the next page write its importance. Thank you so much, level 6.